In this video, I'm going to show you my product, which is the address poisoning bot. So let me just enter the website as well. So let me just enter the website as well. I don't know what the fuck my password was. Yeah, so this was my password. So this is the address poison bot, and this is where the magic happened basically. So right now this website has the its flow. Basically what it's doing, for example, let me just show you. Drawing board. So hello guys, welcome back again in another video, and in this video I'm going to show you my product, which is the address poison bot, and I'm going to show you how it's work and basically the full functionality as well, and the thing what things are should we see, and how the flow is working. So let's start the video. And first of all, when you just log in, you will see your total balance, total victim, total generated wallets, and total funding amount. So I use 0.27 ETH for testing purposes, and I also funded like 0.27 ETH. So basically you need to upload the CSV file. So I just uploaded the CSV file, and in which I have multiple entries. So you can see like I have multiple addresses, so I can uncheck it as well if I want to. So I want one address to be attacked, or I can attack multiple addresses. For example, in this case I am selecting selecting the four addresses, and let's click on the fetch address, and this is how it's fetching the address. So let's do it 25, and it will show me all the addresses, all the transaction where they transfer the money. And right now I just need the 5 days transaction. He transferred like 6,000 Ethereum. So I just close this and attack this wallet as well. So you can see the this on the Etherscan API as well. He just transferred the money from this wallet. So what's the address poison bot? Let me just show you a clear understanding. So yeah, so this is the wallet A, or you can say like let me just, yeah, this one is much better. This is wallet A, and this is wallet B. So he transferred 0.1 ETH to wallet B, okay, versus address poison bot. What's its functionality basically? So address poison bot is literally a beast itself. So right now it's 1-on-1. So he transferred the money to wallet B, and he see the specific prefixes like 01, 2, 3, last digit 01, 2, 3, last digit, or 2, 4. He just know he is transferred the money and to that specific address, and from address A to address B. So this we name is address, and this one is we also name is it. What's the address poison do? You will just see the transaction from wallet A to wallet B, and what he see, like he transferred the money to wallet B, he will replicate the address of B wallet, and I will name as wallet A. So he will generate the similar address of wallet B. So next time the victim transfer the money, it is a highly chance to get the money to wallet B. So what it do? It generate a similar wallet address. For example, 012 front, and last prefixes is right 3598. So center digit is this. So it will create the center digit, the 6, and all the amount will be same. So victim doesn't know what it will do, and he transfer the money, and address poison receive the money. Then he will transfer the main account, and from main account he will transfer into the other account, and the things will happen simultaneously. For example, if a client send like 6,000 ETH, and it will transfer to the the variations one. I'm going to show you the demo. So for example, if I want to attack this wallet, so I have just scratched it. So I want to generate like 10 variation with 2 prefix and 2 suffixes. You can generate like up to 7 or 6 one also, but this one usually takes so much time as shown in the probability section. So if you can wait, you can use it also as well. So I will just use 10 variations of one address. So right now it's working and fetching the addresses. So he just fetches the same addresses, 1F100, and you can generate up to 100 or 1 million as well. So at the end the choice is your, and the thing is your, and it's all depend on you. So it will generate more entries, more prices, more things. So this thing is legit, guys. It's actually working, and you can just view detail, and you can see the private key as well. You can just import the private key or use deposit section. Here I'm going to show you. So this is, we have the wallets here. So you can see, like, I want to cancel generation. I have like 10 wallets I have. So let's go and attack it. For example, if I just fund them to my main wallet. So right now, why it's showing the red error? Basically, I have no money in my funded wallet. So this is the funded wallet, and the funded wallet, I have set like 0.004 amount. So what it does do, I generate like multiple wallets. So I will fund them like 0.014 or 0.004 or 0.00018 minimum. Okay, 0.00018 minimum. So it will just transfer to the victim and just spam it. So victim will see like multiple transaction is going in his wallet. So he will try, next time he will try to deposit the money on that wallet, the wallet B. So he will accidentally send you the money here, one of your 100 wallets or 10 wallets. So this is how it's working. And after you generate the wallet, you can see the generated wallets we have here. So you can just withdraw. If we receive any payment from these type of wallets, so we can just withdraw manually or withdraw all funds. And this is the victim wallets that we have created and funded. So you can see how much we can make. Like right now 0.17 I have just deposited and sent to victim this one, and remaining amount will show in the dashboard as well. So it won't drain your wallets and that stuff like that. This thing is 100% working and legit. So if you guys just like this video, make sure you guys show some love and follow me for more, and also press the bell icon and stay tuned for more. Thank you.